Hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you that how to create a landing page from Aweber. Alright, so if you have any product and if you want to create or if you have created any lead magnet, then you want to promote or you want to send a lead magnet to your subscriber. Alright, so Aweber is the best tool you can use. Alright, so I often use the Aweber email marketing software, which is I highly recommend you use this tool. Alright, so if you want to create a form or if you want to create an opt-in page or if you create a landing page, so this is the best tool which I recommend you. Alright, so without any wasting time, let's go start at how to create a landing page from Aweber. Alright, so I will go simply log in my account. Right, so you have to be simply go and log in your account. Alright, so I will log my account. I will log in my account, and after that, I will just simply when you come into your dashboard, just click on the landing page. So when you will click on the landing page, alright, you will see that option create a landing page. Alright, so click on the landing page and choose a template which you want. So I will simply go and choose this one, right? So if you have any blog sign up or if you have any uh, simple sign up product promotion, you can choose any template. So I will simply go. I want to create a ebook. Uh, I want to create a. I have created a ebook. So I want leads. So simply I will go and click on the book promotion templates, and it will go into another page. Alright, now it's a very simple. You have what you have to do. Simply you have to drag and drop. Right, you don't have to do anything. So I will go. For example, if you I want to change this background, I don't want like this background. So I'm created a so for example, uh, my lead magnet is in health niche. Alright, my ebook is in health niche. So I will make this type of landing page. So I will simply go and I will change the background. So I literally don't like the background, so I will simply go and just click on the background, and it shows the option of a background image. So I will go and click on the browse from file. So I will go to the I didn't find where it is. Yes, the keto images. I think so. No, I don't think so. It is there. Yeah, it will be. I think so. It will be there in this folder. Yeah, got it. Alright, so I will go and simply the background. So it will change automatically. Right now it's looking nice. So now what I will do, I will simply change the logo. So I will go and just click on the logo button, and I will click and upload an image. So when I will click and upload an image, so already I have a logo. So I will go to desktop. I have uploaded on the desktop button. So I will just go and click on the desktop, and I will just simply upload. Right, so it automatically change. So if you want to make your logo, or if you want to shift your logo in the middle or right hand side or left side, you can do it from here. For example, this is a alignment, right? So if I get it in the shows in the middle, so I really like the middle, so I will keep it as the middle section. So if you want to change the size of the thing, just simply go and change the width. width of the logo. So I will go and change the width of the logo automatically. So when I will look on the preview, it look in nice. It look nice, right? When we uh, click on the preview button, mobile preview button. Uh, let's make it further small. So go to the preview button again, and yes, now it look nice. Alright. So I will change the header. For example, I will change. I already written one header, so I will simply copy and paste. Alright. So it look nice. So I will change the sub headline or the text because I'm promoting. I'm giving a lead ebook to my subscriber. So I will simply go and write that and enter your details, all of stuff, and see. Now here as for example, I will write so here you will get insight. Here you will get insight. You will get insight. Alright. So I will go and copy all the text. I will not waste time here. Right. So it look nice now. I simply change the sign up button. Write what you want to write. I will simply go and I will write download now because I'm uh, making or promoting an ebook. So I will go and simply write down download now. I will change the color. So I will click on this background color on the pink, and you will see the color change. Simply click there, and I will go and click on the green, and I will say apply. If you want to change the shape of this thing, download box, just go and change this shape. So it look nice, right? So alright. So if you want to, yes, I want to change the image of this thing. So I will go. I want to change this thing, the ebook cover. I will go and just create an upload image. Simply go to this thing, a folder, to images, and there we go. Right? It's a simple, right? It's a very easy to make a landing page, and then we can just go and check the preview how it looks. It look nice, right? It, it look nice. This look nice. For example, and I want to remove this social media icon. So I will simply go to back to our editor, and I will go uh, and delete this thing. Alright, so if you want to change the color of the text, just go and simply click on this thing, text color, and you will see the color. There are a lot of colors you can use and apply. Simply it will automatically change the color. So another thing is that I want to show you. That's yes, if you want to add pages or if you want to add text, simply just go and drag and drop. For example, I want to add a text, so I will go to the left hand side icon and simply drag and drop in this thing in the box. So I will simply write down anything which I want. For example, I will write down uh, subscribes. Thank you for subscribing. You will thank you for subscribing. That's it, right? So for example, if you want to add text or if you want to add anything, and if you want to delete things, just click, just highlight this in the text, and you will simply you will see this thing delete option. Go and delete, right? So if you want to add image, simply go and drag and drop. It automatically, uh, you will automatically see the option how you can able to uh, add your images. Simply go and upload the image or upload the image, or you can do anything. Just go and play around with that. You will get a lot of things. For example, if you want to add form, then how you can able to add form. Let me show you. So I will go and delete it. Just here, click here the button or form button. For example, I will click on the button. So here is the thing. Let's see. Click here. So here is the button. If you want to add form, then I will simply go and click on the add form. Uh, it automatically added the form. Right, so if you want to add more images or made thing, you can go simply add and drop. Right, for example, if you want to add another thing, just simply go and copy this thing, right, row. Just copy the row, and then you will see the down. Right, just delete the thing, and then when you will delete the page, you can simply go and drag and drop the text or anything. Or if you want to add image, you can just drop and add and just go and play around and simple. Right, it's very easy. You can do even a small child can do it. Alright, so it's very easy thing. Just the thing is that you have to drag and drop the thing. Alright, so you just go and play around how it look. You will find out when you will go to the APY account and you will how to create the system. Just simply is write down the page name of the whatever you created and simply go and save and exit. Alright, and finally you're done with your first created a landing page. So I will delete this. Alright, so I will go to the preview and check how it looks. It look nice, right? And I will click on this device. Yes, it look nice. Okay, so I'll go to the back editor and just simply go and save and exit. Right, so yeah, and that just if you want to uh, edit this thing, simply go and write down the name of this thing, right? So yes, just go and play around with that. You will get to know what to do, what not to do. All right, just drag and drop the thing, and you can easily able to create your own landing page. Right, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you got the value, and yes, if you got the value, if you got the information from my side, please subscribe and please do comment. All right, because it will help me, it will motivate me to do more videos. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it.